As you can see guys, I'm in the sauna right now. It looks pretty amazing, but on the camera it's a little bit red. So let me give you a little bit spin over here. There's the boiler itself. So the temperature comes all the way from here. Then we got the temperature, so you can see the exactly temperature. Hello guys, and welcome back to another awesome vlog. And today's vlog, we're leaving this place for a couple of weeks and then we're gonna come back. And beautiful Ukraine, we're heading off back to Belgrade, back to Russia. And in today's vlog I just want to start by showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, because maybe a lot of you want to know how to solve it. And just right here. So guys, the first step, see, it's already solved, but let me make it beautiful. Wait. There we go. I just changed all the centers. See? All the centers I changed right now. And see, the white one, it's orange right now, but the white one is right here. So let me solve it back. There we go, it's solved. Now I'm gonna mix it. So I learned it how to solve the Rubik's Cube by just watching YouTube videos. So as you can see, it's mixed right now, and then I'm gonna start solving. So to start solving, I'm gonna start the white thing. So first of all, I'm gonna do the whole white thing, the whole white side, and then we'll go on for the rest. So first of all, you need to make a cross over here. You need to make this line and this line, and they need to be matching the color over here as well. The two boxes, like the two cubes over here, they need to be matching the colors, and same as here for the white two box. So guys, I'm gonna start solving. Wait, let me focus it on the cube. And I'm gonna start solving the cross first of all. This part. Yeah, watch. So I solved the cross over here. Like, it's called cross, I don't know. And yeah, it's all matching up over here on the sides as well. Over here. And yeah, all matches up. Then I have to do the corners right now, but this corner you think it might solve, but it's actually not, because see the side of it, it doesn't match with the colors here, red and green. This side should be with red and green and white on top. So I gotta find that one. See, there we go, this is the one, green, red and white on top. So I have to just move it to this side over here. This here needs to be moved over here. Oh, come on. Yep, so I'm gonna move it. There we go. See, I just moved this. Green, red, all matches up, and on the top as well. Then I'm just gonna finish it off. As you can see, I just finished the... Oh, come on. As you can see, I just finished the whole layer, so all the colors are matching up with together, and on the top is white. On the top, the white thing is also matching up together as well. And yeah, then we're gonna do this line over here, the second line. So we need to match up all the parts. All the parts need to be put on the sides. So for this one, as you can see, we have the orange here and blue on top. So this little part needs to go over here, because blue is here and orange is here. So we need to kind of twist it here. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move it to the side away, then flip this up, turn this, then this side, here. See, it's all matching up, and then turn it back down. There we go. It's on the plate right now. See? It's on the place. and then we're gonna do the same step for all of them. See, as you can see, this one orange, orange and green on top needs to go over here, right here, because orange here, green here, and it kind of needs to go to the over here like that. So this is what I'm gonna do. Move it away, because see, let me see, we need to place it, this one over here, and we're kind of moving it away, then flipping this up, then turning this back again, then, and that's on the place right there, and it's on the place. See, so we made the whole orange side. So I'm gonna do that quickly with the rest. Same step. Yeah. As you can see, guys, wait. As you can see, I finished the. Oh wait, one more left. So as you can see, guys, I finished the second layer. And at the bottom it stayed the same, white. It didn't mix up, so it's good. And we finished the second layer, as you can see. Then we're going for right now. As you can see on top, it's already got the cross, but we need to match the cross with the middle over here. See, it doesn't match up, so we need to match it up. And we need to find the red one. So first of all, we need to match it up like that, see, and then find the similar one. So for this step, as you can see, sometimes it happens this side is matched up with this side, and this side matched up with this side, but actually this side and the back of the cube didn't match up with the colors. So I gotta do this step. I gotta do this step, put it up here, bottom, one more spin, double spin, put it down, then see, we match up the red one and the blue. So we do one more motion like that, put it up, turn, down, one more, double, and then down, and then all of them, see, all of them match up together, see. And as well on top it's cross, and the bottom stays the same. And then now, like, we need to finish the yellow part, because see, the corners aren't like matching up with the rest of the colors. And this is what you're gonna do. So you're gonna keep one side. See, we found the yellow here, so we're holding like that. Don't move it anywhere. Flipping it up, we need to bring that yellow to the corner. See, I brought it here. Everything mixed up, but you don't pay attention to that. Just hold it like that, like you hold it, then turn it. Where's one more yellow? You need to place it on the corner. Then it's still messed up, but we need to finish the last one, yellow one, and then everything goes to its back normal place. And we almost finished it right there. And then there's the last motion. You're gonna repeat it a couple of times, because we need to transfer those two to the blue side. And this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna twist it down, one more here, twist it down, double, up, and to the right. Same thing, down, double, up, to the right. You gotta repeat it 3 times, but on the third time you need to swipe it 3 times, so the white side matches. Then you place it down, swipe it 3 times, up. As you can see, it got a little bit messed up, but this is the correct way you're going. So because the last step, you're gonna repeat this. Quick. See, now you have this two on this side, and this is how we want it, because we need to transfer those 2 small parts to this side. And this is, we're gonna do the same step, down, double, here, to the right, then double again, to the right, then down, double, and then on the third time you gotta twist it twice on the top. Then all matches up. Place it down. Two times. Bam. The cube is ready. No cuts. There we go. It's all ready. See out. Just made it. And I learned that from YouTube, just watching YouTube videos, and now you can learn it too. Yo guys, I just ate a lot of berries. Check this out. Wait, let me show you this. Guys, as you saw the previous clip, I'm in my guest's house, and I'll give you a little house tour. But before we begin, they have a swimming pool, a sauna, and lots of more outside and some inside. So let's begin with the cinematic shots. As you can see, this is the hallway. You go inside here, there's lots of doors, lots of rooms, and let me walk you through it. First of all, first door as you come in, it's a toilet, pretty normal. Then next door is I have no clue, so let's go. So the next door is that's the boilers are. So to heat up the temperature in the sauna. And this is the swimming pool itself. This is the whole room for the swimming pool. Then there's a small room where you can take shower after the swimming pool. As you can see guys, I'm in the sauna right now. It looks pretty amazing, but on the camera it's a little bit red. So let me give you a little bit spin over here. There's the boiler itself. So the temperature comes all the way from here. Then we got the temperature. So you can see the exactly temperature in the room. Over here, sauna, a hydrometer. Then there's a thermometer over here. And then, yeah, that's the clock in minutes. Then the two lights, awesome wooden interior. That's the door. Let's come out. Let me come out, close it. Switch off the light. That's the swimming pool. This is 2 by 3 meters. No, 3 meters and 2 meters deep. Alright. And then we got the shower, as I already showed you. And there's a small yacht over here. Awesome, beautiful view. We're in like a village right now. So everything looks great. Let's go. That's where I just was. That's the house with the sauna and a swimming pool. This is the main house. This is the main house right here. Bang. Small garden over here. We've got the flowers. The flowers growing. Some stairs. And then the backyard. Backyard itself. Oh. Got the neighbors on both sides, some flowers growing. Yo, what up everybody? And yeah, we're in the house. spent some time playing football in Belgrade. Yeah, that's my boxing thing. And yeah, so right now my bro is editing the football video, and it should be done by tomorrow. And guys, let me know in the comment section below, do you want to see the like a house tour over here at my house in Russia? Yeah, and my brother's editing the football video, basically the crossbar, the woodwork challenge, and he's gonna edit the video, and I'm just chilling out. And tell me in the comment section if he did a good job in editing. Yeah, let's see. Okay, I'll show you, because as a kid we used to have like a, you know, there's guns where you can buy them from the shop, and they're not real guns, but they shoot like a small plastic bullets. And I just cracked one open right now, and it has bullets in it, and it shoots pretty far and pretty painful. So it has bullets in it, and it's pretty tough one. Like if it flies to your arm, you might have some blood in it, but just pull this sucker open and trying to fix this. See, this one pulled off. To fix that,